rocking. Dreadful case of the hiccups, and it was driving me insane. And I hope that anybody who sees these things, that my hiccups are insane. Check out. I can't move that.
You ready for my solo dance?
Okay.
I'm gonna move the stage away. I'm not very warm. I don't think I can do it very well.
Shannon wants to dance.
Here it comes.
He's a Andy man.
Here it is. This one.
I was a little girl, I had a right door. Only door I've ever known. I wanna love you just the way I love the right door. Only now my love is grown. And it gets colder. I'm dancing here. And it gets deeper. And we say, and it gets harder. You know it. You were a young but did you have a minute? The waves followed you around. Well, I'm gonna be as faithful as I can. No, I will never let you down.
I can do that. I need to do some splits. I should do some splits. I need to do. I would just stretch like this. Ooh.